Hi, my name is Brianna, and I did a website for my project. So my project, the header of my website is "Don't be blind to screen time." And through this website, I just added facts that I've learned through research. And the first one here is adolescents spend more time on their phones, which causes lack of sleep and lower grades. This website, I really wanted to make it a chill atmosphere and something that adolescents really can relate to. So as you'll see through my website, it's pictures that are very calming and maybe some videos that are people would like to see. So I started off with recent studies show less screen time and more physical activity are associated with reporting fewer symptoms of depression, anxiety, and low self-esteem. And then we can continue down through 4 videos that I added that all have to do with this basically website that talks about having less screen time as possible. So the first video is the crazy effects of screen time on your brain. Next is a TED Talk, Quit Social Media by Dr. Cal Newport. Third is Social Media is Destroying Us by Joe Rogan and Elon Musk. And lastly, Why Our Screens Make Us Less Happy. That was also a TED Talk by Adam Atler. And I continued down. Why is screen time so harmful? Well, there's 4 main factors. So obesity, depression, body image, and ADHD. And then lastly, I also add, how can you decrease your screen time? So these are just ideas and ways that you can decrease your screen time and better help yourself. So don't watch movies or TV in bed. Cut down on computer socializing, have face-to-face interactions instead. Set a timer for the amount of social media and screen time. Take up another hobby. Schedule meetings in person instead of over email. And exercise as you participate in social media. So as we continue down, like I said again, it's just a website that adolescents feel that they can log on to. It's not something embarrassing that has a bunch of warning signs. It's just something that they can learn. There's a couple videos and some research that will really impact them when it comes to screen time. And so I also added a hashtag, join hashtag decrease my screen time. Basically, when you are logging onto social media, it just means that you're not going to be on here for long. You're just going to be on here for a little bit, maybe check out some news or other things that you'd like to see, and then you're going to log off. And that's it. Thank you.